Guys, so I want to share with you the 5 things I love about the Ford Focus RS, the current version of it. So the first thing definitely is the way it looks. Just take a look at it. It looks like a real rally car, with all the diffusers here, with all those things, with the dual exhaust, and the huge exhaust pipes. Take a look at this. This is a stock car. Both of them like this. This car really looks stunning, and with the rear spoiler, with a big, really nice looking 19-inch wheels, and this very it has this something in it. And please still remember that this is a Ford Focus, and it has to look also like a Focus. Keep that in mind. So they did a really terrific job of making the car look so nice and so aggressive. One thing I would change in this particular one is I would go for the blue color. It especially would look great with those blue Brembo brakes here. The RS badge here up front on the seats. And where else do we have it? I'm sure we have it in the back. Yeah, we do. Right here. So the blue, I think, would look even better on this one. The second thing I love about this Ford Focus is the performance. Well, I'm a guy that, I like to have fun in a car. I like the car to be agile, to have enough power to let me overtake easily and not struggle with it. This car absolutely has it. It has a manual gearbox, so you have full control, you do whatever you want. 350 horsepower, it has a launch control with the manual gearbox, keep that in mind. So what you do is just, you put it into the launch control mode, you floor it, you let the clutch go, and you're gone. You're literally gone. The third thing about this car would be, and this maybe, I'm not sure if this works for all of the markets, this car really keeps its value. When I was looking for the used ones, for the pre-owned RSs, oh, see, you got it here also. And all of them really keep their price very high. So they are actually quite a good investment, I would say. None of them, I couldn't find anything that would be below 100,000 zlotys, and they are like 140, 150 when you want to buy them completely new. So they keep the value pretty well, at least that's what I think. Well, actually, I would make that point the number 4. The number 3, I would say, would be the sound of this car. And listen, I'm a guy that likes the car to sound very nicely, and this car really does. Even though it has an inline 4 engine and with a turbocharger, but it really sounds amazing to me. It sounds like a rally car, especially in the sports mode. So not only does it sound well, but it also has those blips, those but the exhaust cracks very nicely, even when you rev it. That's the thing I really like about this car. So let's make this number 3. Number 4 would be keeping the value. And number 5, please don't laugh at it, but number 5 is how people react to Focus RS on the streets. This is something many people buy the cars for. They may buy uncomfortable cars like Ferraris, Lamborghinis and so on, super high performance cars, and you get the similar reactions in a Focus. I think, well, in a Ferrari, people may be, when you're in a Ferrari, people may be, kind of jealous. When people see it, they start to smile, and then they don't smile, of course, because it's a funny car. They smile because this car makes you smile. It's a positive car to me. So I love how people perceive this car, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy when I see people also appreciate it. That somebody's crazy enough to buy a Focus that is a high performance car and still stays pretty much down to earth. That's how I see it, and that's what I like. And actually there's a number 6. Well, I know I promised the 5 things, but the number 6 is, ladies and gentlemen, Ken Block has one of those cars.